Hello everyone, welcome to WowDevs. Today, we'll explore the Spin Wheel plugin, a fun and interactive way to engage your visitors by offering coupons, discounts, or other exciting rewards. Let's replace boring pop-ups with gamification and get more leads. Let's learn how to start your first campaign within 2 minutes. We're starting with a fresh WordPress website for this demo. Install the plugin first. Let's search Spin Wheel WowDevs. Then install and activate the plugin. If you also have the Pro version, make sure both are activated. Then go to the Spin Wheel dashboard and campaign section. Simply create a new campaign and let's call it Happy Offer. From the Coupons tab, you can modify coupons and discounts as you wish. Then, make sure it's set to show on the entire website from the Visibility tab. Next, go to the Designs tab and select your theme, and that's it. You can also set a background for the pop-up and change the button color to make it even more awesome. Now it's ready, let's test it out. Wow, you win. And back in the dashboard, here is the organized list of your entries and lead details. Hope you understand and love this plugin. Thanks for watching.